Good morning all. Paul from CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Tuesday morning, July 8th. We're looking at Window Trader's market profile of the ES and ENQ. So the dailies all came back into balance yesterday. In ES's case, they did it with a double distribution day down. NQ only ended with a 9-wide point of control. That's all they had. So there's a lot, again, if you open up inside of yesterday's range, chop could be very prevalent. But right now, again, there's 90 minutes to go. But right now, NQ is trading above value. Okay, it's for them, it's a 2-day balance. Yesterday's low is the bottom of it, and Thursday's high is the top of it, the all-time high. ES 3-day balance. We used Wednesday, Thursday, and yesterday. Right now, ES, as you can see, their high in the overnight is still in the lower distribution, below the afternoon rally high and the trend day. 14 wide right now for ES, same with NQ. Righty, also a 3-day balance, Wednesday, Thursday, Monday. They did not have a trend day yesterday. They just had the afternoon rally high in F. So there's a good chance if we open in the lower distribution ES, you can get a lot of chop. First things first, right? We talk about hump levels. Well, this is clear as day in ES. Again, it's early, but what bears want to defend would be between value high, which is 90 and a quarter, and B's low, which is 93.50. Okay? So about a 3-point range. And the reason for that is if they don't defend it, value is going to go at least overlap into higher. If they defend it, value can at least be pulled down to unchanged. So that is absolutely what the bears want to defend in ES. NQ right now would have been value high. It still is because we're not open yet. Yesterday's high probably would not be defended. It's not the balance high. Same with ES. That is not the balance high. So I don't think bears would come out of the woodwork to defend that, especially with higher value. Okay? If you get the overnight high, then a pullback to around half back and the overnight POC, if that's where it is at the 9:30, is a decent risk reward along the first time. Okay? Again, it's always a fluid situation that's continuously changing, and that's why being in the trading room gives you a huge, huge edge on your intraday day trading. Okay? And then chart-wise, we showed last night the difference, why I was calling Qs and NQ a 2-day and ES a 3. Here's ES. They filled one gap. They still have another daily gap. They have a weekly gap. They have more gaps below. Again, it's not unhealthy, especially after one time framing up for 8 days or whatever it was, to get some consolidation, shake out the weakest of the week, and then come out of balance back higher. Thank you for liking and subscribing to this channel. Good luck trading today. And we'll recap at 4 p.m.